Good morning, students. I welcome you in Social Science online class. I hope that you all are fit and healthy at your home. Myself, Varsha Vaishnav, and I will teach you social science. Your social science book is like this, and I think so you have all of you have purchased it. Students, as you know that in our social science there are three sections: history, civics and geography. We are going to start first geography. Lesson 13, the Earth in the Solar System. Students, the word solar system, you have heard about the word solar system. Sun, moon, stars, asteroids. All this we will go to study in this chapter, solar system. First, in the Earth in the solar system chapter, we are studying about the word universe. What is the universe? The universe is a wide open space that holds everything we see in the sky. It may be stars, planets, satellites, heavenly bodies, or you can say that heavenly or celestial bodies, etc. So on, many things that we see in the sky, including our home Earth also, comes in the universe. Related to the birth of the universe, there is a theory that is known as Big Bang Theory. The Big Bang Theory is the dominant scientific theory about the origin of the universe. According to the theory, the universe was created sometime between 10 billion and 20 billion years ago from a cosmic expansion that continues to spread matter in all directions. From this matter, many groups of stars were formed, which we call galaxies. Millions of such galaxies were created, with each galaxy containing millions of stars. In their galaxies, there are millions of stars and they make a galaxy. And our sun also belongs to such a galaxy that we call the Milky Way, or you can say that the Akash Ganga. There are over 100 millions of stars in Milky Way galaxy also. The objects that we see in the sky are termed as heavenly or celestial bodies. Now we come to our next topic, star. What is the star? A star is a huge pair of very hot glowing gas. When stars are grouped together, we call them constellation. And this constellation make a recognizable pattern in the sky. Different patterns and examples are Great Bear, Little Bear, or Ursa Minor, Orion, Hunter, and the Scorpio, etc. All these are the constellations and they make the different patterns. Now next is the solar system. The word soul means the sun and the system refers to its family. So you can say that the solar system means sun family. Okay, and in sun family, the planets, the satellites, moon, meteors, comets, asteroids, all this also came. They all come in the sun family and they belong to these planets, and this all the other things also comes in the sun family, and sun is the in the solar system. They comes in the solar system. They comes in the solar family. Now we come to the sun. You all know that the sun is the center of the solar system, and its gravity is the pulling force that binds the solar system, that keeps binds to the solar system. The solar is a star. It is also a star, and it is biggest object in the solar system, biggest star. It burns brightly in the center as planets and other objects orbit around it. The distance between the sun and the earth is approximately 150 million kilometer. Now the sun is also, I told you the sun is the center of the solar system and all the planets revolve it. So it binds the solar system. Now students, in this chapter we have read about the universe. After universe we have read about the stars, the solar system, the sun. All this we have studied, we have read about the small topics of the solar system If you have any problem in this topic, if you have not understand any definition or anything in this topic, then you can call me or WhatsApp me. And one more thing that is most important, stay home and stay safe. Thank you, students.